Okay, Tony, it's time to get started on your 6139. Let's do it. Okay, dial and hands look very nice. The haze is definitely limited to the crystal, which is good. So your back of your dial is a 1-9, and the back of your case is a 1-9. That's pretty much spot on. It's a beautiful dial, by the way. This one is in great shape. Just lovely. Okay, Tony. Well, that is the movement disassembled. We've got some jeweling and some cleaning and some inspecting of parts, and then we will begin the process of reassembly. So next time you see the movement, it'll be ready to go. Okay, Tony, we are ready to go on your 6139. Everything is out of the cleaner. Case is rebuilt. Parts are fresh and ready. So now we just have to assemble all the pieces. Okay, well that is movement running. Let's go have a look on the time grapher and see where we are. We'll be right back. All right. Well, that's not a bad place to start. certain movements, they just jump like crazy, right up to where you want them. And then you gotta make some minor adjustments. All right, well, I think we're gonna leave this one to break in a little bit. We'll come back and do some minor, fine adjustments, but honestly, this is exactly where you want to see a very pristine 6139 sitting, close to 240. Beautiful. Very nice. Look at that. All right, Tony. Well, this is a good one. We're gonna continue on after we break in. Perfect. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're right here at the end. Last few components to put on, and then we can talk about your watch. Okay, well there it is. There is your beautiful, really well preserved 6139. It came out beautifully. It's a runner and a half. This thing is one of those watches that, you know it had seen service. There were some indications inside that somebody had been in there, and perhaps somebody wasn't a Seiko service kind of person, but that's okay. We took care of any little issues, which there weren't anything real. It's just there's a gear that you can tell that sometimes it gets flipped over upside down if it's in the wrong orientation. You know it as soon as you see it. Anyway, that's not a big deal. We got it all nice and clean. Of course, no polishing or any sort of case reworking or anything like that. Just a new crystal and some cleaning. Your hands were a little hazy because there was a lot of haze in the watch. Not sure if that was moisture or just old outgassing from lubrication or what it may have been, but it was there and we took care of that. Your minute hand has a bit of haze that I just don't want to. I don't want to make it turn it into scratches, so I'm leaving it basically alone. But your lume and your hands and your dial, they're just phenomenal. This is one of those matte blue dials that just looks really nice. I love them. Again, not much to report on the service. Let's see, this is your little bag for this one. You have new seals everywhere. Let's zoom out just a bit here. New seals, new bushing. I'll get it right. New case back seal. There's your crystal. You can see that haziness that was in there, that oily material. New case back seal. New seals on your pushers and your crown. Here's your bushing for your arbor ports, which are now jeweled and working fantastic. I've got your bracelet here. It will go back together and get back onto the watch. It's been cleaned up through the sonication bath, and it will escort your watch home, of course. back on and in place. Okay, well, Tony, that's watch number 2. We are done and ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoyed these videos. I hope you enjoy your watches, and thank you again for trusting me with them. And I look forward to doing another one for you at some point soon. Hopefully the workload will allow. It's been a little busy. All right, well, thanks again, Tony. I really appreciate it, and thanks for watching.